Guys, battery stand in car must be equally safe as compared to other spare parts of the car. Because if the battery is not properly placed and is not stable, then there might be chances that it may fall down in running car and get damaged and may come over the fan. As you can see that many things can happen with a car, and the most dangerous thing is if the car bump into something, it will hit into the bonnet, which might occur a spark and bonnet might get damaged. If this happens, battery may get damaged and we need to replace the battery. So for that, this section must be well. So guys, welcome to one more video of DIYMaster, and I'm your voiceover artist Yukta. In this video, we are going to see how to replace a battery stand of Maruti 800. So guys, this is my old car, and you can see that its battery stand is badly rotten. Firstly, we'll take out this old stand and bring on the new one. Now come on, let's take out this old one out. Apart from this, I have put the old battery in the car. As you can see, it's here. We took out the old battery and I have it here and covered it with a cover. So guys, first of all, we'll take out the stand. So you can see after a very long struggle, this one bolt is open. Another one is still pending. Still continuing. Might not open today, but definitely tomorrow. I have put some oil by which rust might get light. Still I'm trying. So guys, finally our old stand is taken out and you can see how badly it is rusted and its bolts are recovered very hardly. Otherwise it wasn't getting opened, and its old bolts, due to rust, its threads are vanished. I mean, the die was totally useless. All is all, it was difficult to open, and finally we hit the deck. Finally we have to do a lilt as it is still rusted and little water is dripping, so we'll stop it here and tomorrow morning we'll apply some varnish or paint, and after that we'll place the new cover. So guys, you can see after taking out the old stand, its place was quite rusty. After rubbing it with sandpaper, I have applied thin layer of paint on it, which is now looking quite good, and hope if acid spills over it won't attack our body. And it now come, let's fit the new stand. So guys, this is its new stand, as you can see, and it is really good, and battery will also fit properly. And this is its clamp, which we'll press it from upwards. So let's come and fit this. So guys, we'll place it like this, and fitting down here is almost same. Come on, let's bolt this first and fit the battery afterwards. You can see we have placed the stand and the down cover of the battery is also properly fitted. To make sure the position is right, move it slightly and after that only tighten the clamps. Now let's come tighten the clamps and fit the battery, and after that place the clamp like this so that it will sit down straight, and the same we'll do with the other clamp. Might be we need to remove this plastic thing, but chances are it will fit in like that way only. If it doesn't fit, we can remove this plastic cover, but it got fit in easily. So now we'll place the battery here again and we'll tighten the clamps. Now after that we'll need to take out the clamps bolt properly, because only one clamp should be placed properly and another we should only place it. So with this method we have done that, and other one will only press it and hook it up just like the other hooks. and after that we'll tighten these bolts with help of wrench or a spinner. We need to tighten much, it might put unnecessary load on the stand and it's done. Anyways, so we have placed the clamps of the battery and stand. Let's come connect the terminals too. Before connecting the terminals, we need to check whether it has rust over it or not. It's clean, but if it has rust, we must clean it. Almost it's clean, we'll just rub wherever we see something. After cleaning the terminal, now it's time to tighten it. Come, let's tighten this now. Minus as it was before, just like that, and plus 2. So in this way our battery is complete now and its clamp is also complete. Now let's see, start the car and end this video. Battery gets on, you can see car is on or in started position. The battery which got shakes before and hit with the radiator's fan, which is not happening now. So I hope you liked this video of battery stand replacement. We'll again be with you in our next video with some new things. Till the time, watch our channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel. Click the show links and enjoy watching the video.